CA May 2021 date sheet has been announced by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So this important announcement has come up today only on 19th February 2021. Let's see what all are the dates for the notification and what all are the dates of the exams. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. If you're new to my channel, I make educational and informative videos for CS, CS and CMA students as well as members, and I make videos on MCA notifications and a little bit on motivation and planning and organizing as well. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest as well, as those social medias are also an extension of this channel only. Before proceeding to the main part of the announcement, that is the date sheet or the timetable, I will be telling you the highlights of the announcement. So this time the exams are starting from the end of May. Yes, the exams are starting from the end of May, and the first exam that will come up is actually from 21st May. So starting from end of May, the exams moved a little to the beginning of June as well. Timetable for intermediate IPC and intermediate announced, that is if we call them old and new, that is announced. Timetable for final course, new and old, also announced. Timetable for post qualification courses, also announced. Dates for application clearly mentioned. Exam fees, late fees, everything is given as well. So this notification or this announcement covers all the important details regarding the timetable, date sheet, fees, website, dates, everything. So without wasting further time, let's start, and I'll be telling you the date sheet for all the levels. And if you want to directly skip and check your level, I'll put the timestamps of all the slides in the description box below for your convenience. Starting with the date sheet of intermediate IPC old scheme. For group 1, the first paper will be on 22nd May, second on 24th May, third on 27th May and fourth on 29th May 2021. Moving to group 2 of IPC old scheme, the paper number 5th will be on 31st May 2021. Paper number 6 will be on 2nd June and paper number 7 will be on 4th June 2021. So this is the date sheet for IPC old scheme. Basically earlier we used to call the intermediate the IPC. So that is why in bracket they call it IPC. This is basically for the old students of IPC, right? So this date sheet is for intermediate old scheme. Moving to the date sheet for intermediate course new scheme. For group 1, paper 1 will be on 22nd May, paper 2 on 24th May, paper 3 on 27th May and paper 4th on 29th May. For group 2, paper 5 will be on 31st May 2021, paper 6 on paper 6 on 2nd June, paper 7 on 4th June and paper 8 on 6th June 2021. So for the date sheet of final course old scheme, the dates are: for group 1, paper 1 will be on 21st May, paper 2nd on 23rd May, paper 3rd on 25th May and paper 4th on 28th May 2021. For group 2, paper 5th will be on 30th May 2021, paper 6th on 1st June, paper 7th on 3rd June and paper 8 on 5th June 2021. If you see the date sheet for final course old as well as new, the dates are exactly the same, but I'll still tell you for new scheme also. For group 1, the dates will be: paper 1st will be on 21st May, 2nd on 23rd May, 3rd on 25th May and 4th on 28th May. For group 2, paper 5th will be on 30th May, paper 6th on 1st June, paper 7th on 3rd June and paper 8th on 5th June 2021. Then after students examinations, there are few post qualification courses as well for our members. So for insurance and risk management, that is IRM technical examination, there are 4 modules. So first module will be on 21st May, second on 23rd May, third on 25th May and fourth on 28th May 2021. The dates for another post-qualification course, that is International Taxation Assessment Test, are the 21st May and 23rd May 2021. So this slide is on duration of exams and the timing of exams. Pay note, this time the exam timings have been changed. You can see 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Earlier the timings are always 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., right? So for examination intermediate IPC old course, for all papers examined, the timing will be 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and all the papers will be of duration 3 hours only. For new scheme, same. For final old scheme also, it's the same. For final new scheme, now the difference is in the paper number 6 of elective, because paper number 6, the elective paper is actually of 4 hours. So the timing will be from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. But for all the other examinations, the timing stays the same. That is 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. And for post qualification courses, for all the papers, it will be 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. 3 hours. So the highlight is that earlier the paper timing has always been 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. but this time it is 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now comes the important part, how to apply online for intermediate IPC, intermediate and final course. So you can apply online on http iciexam.ici.org. Application dates. So the date for application will start from 31st March 2021 to 13th April 2021. So you can file up to from 31st March to 13th April 2021. The payment mode of fees is Visa or Master or Maestro, credit or debit card, RuPay card or net banking or Bhim UPI. From any of the modes you can actually pay the fees of examination. Moving to what is the fees for intermediate IPC and intermediate. So for both intermediate IPC and intermediate course examinations, new and old scheme, old and new scheme it's written actually. So for Indian centers, single group, that is unit 1 to 10 except unit 9, unit 4A to 7A, it's rupees 1500. And for both groups, that is unit 9, unit 8A, unit 9A, it's 2700. For overseas centers, but excluding the Kathmandu center, for single group, it's US dollar 325, and for both groups it's US dollar 500. For Kathmandu center, single group it's 2200 and for both groups is 3400. For the fees for final course, old as well as new scheme, for Indian center single group it's rupees 1800, both groups it's rupees 3300. For overseas centers excluding the Kathmandu center, for single group it's US dollar 325, for both groups it's US dollar 550. For Kathmandu center, for single group the fees is rupees 2200 and for both groups it's rupees 4000. Now in case of late exam fees, in case you fail to, pay the fees at time, exam fees at time, the late exam fees for Indian and Kathmandu centers is rupees 600 and for abroad centers it is US dollar 10. So basically this will be the additional fees which you will have to pay alongside your exam fees, and the date for late exam fees will be from 13th April, like after 13th April 2021 to 16th April 2021. You can register yourself for the examinations but alongside by paying the additional exam fees. Then moving to the post-qualification course exams, how to apply online for post-qualification course exams. The website is clearly mentioned, pqc.iciexam.ici.org. The date for examinations are from 31st March 2021 to 13th April 2021. You can pay through Visa or Master or Maestro credit or debit card or RuPay card or net banking or Bhim UPI. So it's quite same. Just the website is different, but other details stay the same. The exam fees for these post-qualification courses is rupees 2000 for both the exams. Like for insurance and risk management also the fees is 2000, and for international taxation also the fees is 2000. And in case you fail to apply between the given time period, you can apply with late fees from 13th April 2021 to 16th April 2021 by paying the additional late fees of rupees 600. So option to answer papers in Hindi, yes, it's quite clear that in intermediate, IPC, intermediate and final, old and new, you can opt for English as well as Hindi, the medium as you feel convenient for answering the papers. The detailed information of guidance notes are issued and you can watch there. But other than that, the Hindi medium is available for intermediate, IPC, intermediate and final, old and new scheme. But the medium of examination for the post-qualification courses, that is the Insurance and Risk Management Technical Examination and International Taxation Assessment Test, it is in English only. You cannot answer in Hindi. The post-qualification courses are only available in the medium English only. Hope you found the video informative, and stay connected to my channel for all the updates that come up on Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay connected with me on Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest.